Hi there, it's Debs at Doodle Dash in Banbury. Right, I just wanted to tell you about something that I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks, and it's called Trash to Treasure. I'm going to be taking some everyday items that we have either lying around a house, the sort of thing that you might donate to charity shops. I might have found them in a charity shop locally, and I'm going to transform them using the products that I have to hand. I will film each transformation and talk you through how to do it. So hopefully as part of this you will learn some techniques and you'll be able to see the products that I sell and demonstrate, and hopefully you'll find it interesting. You don't have to watch if not. Anyway, so I want to show you what I'm going to be working on first. I'm just hopefully can turn the camera around. Right, so on my table here are a few of the items that I'm going to be working on. I've already actually started on this one. This was a set of wings that I had in the shop that got dropped, and the tip of one of the feathers got completely damaged. So I've sanded all that back, put some filler in it, and now I'm painting it, and I've decided to go a bit dark angel with these ones. So they've had a couple of coats of Loof from Frenchic, the lovely black, and I'm going to probably use silver Frenchine to just give them a bit of a silvery sparkle back. I've got a metal star that I'm going to do something with. Haven't quite decided yet, but that's going to completely change. A terracotta pot, which this might give you a little hint of what I'm going to do. It was already on there, but I think this needs bringing out so you can see this whiteness. I think I'm going to probably either put a white glaze on this or white wax the whole pot and just get rid of that orangeness. So yeah, watch this space on that one. I've got a selection of just pretty mundane ceramic pots, which I'm going to work on, and I've already done one, and this is a technique that I will definitely be using again, where you create texture and make this sort of stone effect. Sorry about my face mask hanging off my hand there. This stone effect look. I've used a mould on there from Iron Orchid Designs, and then I've put a white glaze on that to bring out those details. So that's definitely something I'll be using on pots again. These little ones again, they could be painted, I could put a transfer on them, but we'll see. Baskets, you know, that again could paint the edge of that, maybe use a whitewash on it. We'll have a little think, but there's plenty of different techniques that I can show you, and hopefully you'll find it interesting and we'll learn something along the way. These are just some of the boards that we have up in the shop, different things that have been done in some of the workshops before, and actually this is a typical upcycle of an old violin that was donated to me, and just to show you the sort of thing that you can do. So this has had moulds, it's had paint, it's had Frenchine gilding wax that I've made to bring out the highlights. So, you know, don't throw anything away. It can be turned from trash to treasure. So watch this space. I will keep posting the videos as I do them. See you soon.